Hey everyone, Adam here for EKM Metering. In today's video, I'm going to be introducing our basic 15E electric meter for single phase 2-wire 120 volt applications. Let's get into it. When you order the 15E, this is what you'll receive: a current transformer, and the electric meter comes in this box. The box also includes a spec sheet and these two terminal covers, which I'll set aside for now. More information about the 15E, including installation instructions, wiring diagram, etc., is included on the spec sheet. I'll include a link to the spec sheet also in the video description below. The meter itself is right here. Get you a close up there. The energy LCD display is right here. Terminals for voltage and the current transformer are here and here. And at the back is a DIN rail clip that allows you to clip the meter onto 35 millimeter DIN rail. It's at 118 by 60 by 18 millimeters. So you can just stack up a bunch of these on the same DIN rail right next to each other in the same enclosure if you want to meter a bunch of different circuits. The current transformer is 14 millimeters internal diameter. It's a solid core. So you need to pass the wire through as opposed to clipping it on like a split core allows you to do. The meter requires that you use this current transformer and will not work with any of our other CT models. The CT leads are 6 feet. So you want to install the meter within 6 feet of where this the donut part of the current transformer is installed. The CT can be loosely fit around the wire that it's measuring. The meter also is connected to line voltage and neutral. So it's the combination of the amperage measurement and the voltage that allows the meter to measure energy. The energy is just displayed on this LCD screen here, and it can't be reset. It always increments up like the odometer in your car. Once you have both connected, the CT and the line voltage and neutral connected, the meter will be powered and it'll start reading kilowatt hours and display the number on the LCD screen. After the meter's installed, you can add these terminal covers, which is just to prevent somebody from accidentally touching a hot screw. So very simple, it's a very basic meter. So if you're looking for just a way of metering energy for a single phase 2-wire 120 volt circuit, and you'd like to read the meters locally, not remotely, the 15E is a great solution for that. If you have a single phase 3-wire electrical system to meter, you'd want to look at our 25XDSE, which is a pass-through meter. And a more advanced solution for remote reading, you'd want to look at our Omnimeter 1 version 3. You can order the 15E today in our online store at ekmmetering.com. I'll include a link in the video description below. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.